Okay, so this is what is this? Circulatory system. Okay, so we start with the coeliac artery. No wait, the posterior vena cava, which is the blue, and the dorsal aorta. It's a pink artery. The coeliac artery is this one, and it branches off. The first branching is the gastric artery, right here, and it goes towards the stomach, and then the rest of the branchings are the splenic artery. Okay, the cranial mesenteric artery is, cranial means into small intestine, so the cranial mesenteric artery is the pink artery that's right here, and the caudal mesenteric artery is this pink one that comes into the large intestine, and the cranial mesenteric vein in this case will be the yellow instead of blue, and the caudal mesenteric vein would be this yellow. The renal artery and vein connect with the kidney, so the artery is the pink one, it's this one, and the renal artery is the blue, renal vein is the blue one. And the hepatic portal vein is yellow and ors canator, so it's right here. And the external iliac artery is this first branching, it's a pink one, and inside is the internal iliac artery. And the blue, it starts off with a common iliac vein, and it branches off into the external iliac vein and the internal iliac vein, which is small, it's right here. And that's it.